Hello everyone, I'm back. In the previous part, I showed you how to measure and charge faulty battery cells. In this part, let's finish the process together. After ensuring that the voltage levels of all the cells are equal and the MR values are consistent, we will proceed to weld the cells together. If you're not familiar with how to equalize the voltage and compare the MR values of the cells, please refer to part 1. I'll place that video right at the top of the screen. And now we will use a battery spot welder, also known as a spot welding machine. This is the nickel strip used to connect the battery cells. Measure the length, and remember to leave a little extra. Turn on the battery spot welder, place the nickel strip on top. Now let's weld. Make sure to weld at least 6 spots close together on each cell. Since the process of welding the cells together will take quite some time, and the original battery only had 10 cells, but I've upgraded it to 15 cells, it will take up a lot of your time if I show every detail. So I'll speed up some steps. The first terminal we just welded is called the B negative terminal. Flip it over and we will weld the 2 rows of cells together, specifically like this. Place the double nickel strip on top and weld it. The terminal we just finished welding is called the B1 terminal. Flip it over again and continue welding to connect the 2 rows of cells. Continue using the double nickel strip for welding. Another double nickel strip. Let's go. This is the B2 terminal. Flip it over again and continue welding to connect the 2 rows of cells. Continue using the double nickel strip for welding. The B3 terminal is complete. Now we move on to the B4 terminal. It's similar to B3, so I'll speed things up. All right, now only the final terminal is left, the positive B terminal. Do you know why the B negative and positive terminals only need to weld a single row of cells? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And that's it. We've completed the welding process to connect the cells. Now we will use a soldering iron to connect the battery cells to the balance circuit. Apply a thin layer of flux on the nickel strip before soldering the cells. Gently and smoothly, just like applying nail polish for the ladies. I don't know why, but I just don't want to skip this part. It feels really satisfying. Now apply the solder. Once completed, use a multimeter to check if the voltage across the terminals meets the standard. Set the multimeter to the DC voltage range. Proceed with the measurement and make sure the readings match the ones shown on my display. Note that this is a 21-volt battery. For batteries with higher voltage designs, we will address them in other videos. The check is complete. Now let's connect the balance circuit. Make sure you place it back in the correct orientation, just like when you removed it originally. Screw the securing screws back in place. Typically, the darkest wire will be the one connected to the B negative terminal. Next, the wire parallel to the B negative wire will be the B1 wire. The B2 wire will be the one positioned diagonally from the B1 wire. Similarly, the B3 wire will be positioned diagonally from the B2 wire. The B4 wire will be positioned diagonally from the B3 wire. The remaining wire is the B+ wire. And there you have it. We've successfully completed the troubleshooting journey together. Check again to make sure all the solder joints are secure. Let's plug in the charger and test it out. The power supply is now connected for charging. The battery is now receiving power from the charger. I'll show you a closer look now. It's no longer blinking now. I'll leave it here and let it charge until the battery is full. After the battery is fully charged, we will use an insulating and heat-resistant sheet like this one. Stick it onto the two contact surfaces of the battery. Reassemble it into the casing and remember to place it in the same orientation as when you initially removed it. On this casing, there will be a marked point indicating where the spring will press against. Press this locking point to ensure the spring is functioning properly. Now, let's screw everything back together. I'll try installing it on an impact wrench to test it, and then I'll attach it to the workshop fan.